Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to jump right into the video and we are going to be doing a video on the Jaclyn Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. Now I only got a few shades here because I already have a lot of lipstick and I didn't want to get similar ones that I already have. So I'm going to jump right into the video. The first shade I have here is Outspoken, and I'm going to kind of tell you guys how I feel about the formula and everything too. I know there's been issues with her lipsticks in the past, and now I've been hearing things about her. I've been hearing there might be some things wrong with the lip liners that came out with these liquid lipsticks. I didn't buy any because I don't really wear lip liner, honestly. I mean, I don't even really wear lipstick that much right now because of the whole mask thing, but our mandate just went down, so like maybe I'll be wearing more, but I don't tend to grab for lip liners because I feel like if you get a few, you know, you could get like the red, the nude color one, and then maybe a few pinky ones. Those will be fine. Like I feel like you don't need like a million lip liners because honestly I barely use them, so I don't need that many. Anyway, I'm gonna jump right into this. So here is the packaging. Woo! Super cute. It's got like this rose gold and it says Jaclyn on there. Super cute packaging. It's like an ombre from this color down. You can see the little color there. Okay, here it goes. I'm excited. I'm excited. The formula feels pretty good so far. It feels like thin. Okay, here is the shade Outspoken. I actually really like this color. This color is super cute, and like I said before, I'm trying to go for colors that I don't already have in my collection. I want to do something a little different, but I'm pretty happy with this so far. The formula feels super lightweight. The next shade we have is, oh hi, I tried, okay. But this is like a kind of more of like a naturally light pink color, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I think I'm gonna like this color. That other lipstick was so hard to get off. Should have done the lighter color first. Like, what am I doing? This is actually super cute. If you guys seriously want ones that probably won't transfer much, this is probably it. These are so hard to get off. Like seriously, this is just insane. Now the last shade that I have is Mama. It's more of like this pinkish color, and this is one of the more pinky ones from the collection. This color's super cute too. I like all these colors that I've tried so far. I can't talk today. I seriously I was gonna say something and then I lost my like thought process. I already had coffee and everything too. Like I don't understand. I should be like da 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 like Anyway, here are all the shades for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My final thoughts on these products is that they are pretty lightweight. They're kind of harder to remove, which is probably a good thing because they probably don't transfer as much. I would definitely recommend them. They're at a decent price too. I think they were like 20 bucks or something like that, which is average for like a liquid lipstick. But yeah, if you guys were thinking about getting these, I definitely would. I feel like she definitely redeemed herself in the last like few launches that she's had because I know she's had issues before, but I can't speak for everything because I did not buy the lip liners and those are the things that were having issues, but I don't use those, so I mean I didn't really have a need to buy them. Yeah, but if you're looking for the liquid lipsticks, this is definitely a great one to try. I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. It would help me out so much if you liked this video and subscribed. I will see you guys all in my next one.